Hi guys, I'm so lucky. The Redhead Secret Club had sent me their February box as well as a special gift, and I'm going to show you everything that I've got. First off, I opened the box, smelled gorgeous, and that's because of this. This is a dual-sided sponge by Spongelle, and it's called You Have a Heart. It's a multi-use body wash infused buffer. So you cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish, all with this beautiful sponge with soap in it. It smells so good. Okay, next up we have a shot glass, and I absolutely am here for this. It says, redheads are red, violets are blue, tequila is cheaper than dinner for two, and I love a margarita, so perfect. Can you see that? How cute is that? Next up is a palette by Baby Girl, and let me tell you how gorgeous. Some are matte, some are sparkling, but I absolutely love all the colors, and to be honest, I'd wear all those. Being a redhead, it's often hard to find like pigments that don't look crazy on you. And so these are amazing, and I can use them any way I want. That's a gorgeous highlighter. Look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay. Next up, we've got a multi-purpose pressed powder for the face in acai berry. So that's going to be a beautiful blush, or even to put around your eye. So you can put it anywhere you want. And it's a matte finish. You don't want it shiny. Next is, now this is something that I struggle with. So I absolutely love this product. This is by Cella, and it's Awesome Auburn Eyebrow Cream. So I know all you gingers out there, you have issues, I'm sure, just like me, trying to find some brow pencils, brow cream, anything to do with your brows that actually matches your hair color or is close enough to where you don't look like you just painted on your eyebrows, because Lord knows most of ours are blonde. But here it is, Auburn. It's gorgeous. That's the color swatch, and haha, perfect. Thanks guys, I appreciate you coming in and watching me do the unboxing for the most awesome Redhead Secret Club. And guess what? I think the secret's out.